Do you still think drones are just for surveillance? Well, not anymore. Today we will introduce you with 5 deadly drones that can strike like a missile. These high-tech drones aren't just eyes in the sky, they're weapons capable of striking with devastating accuracy. Let's dive into the deadliest drones reshaping modern warfare. Elbit Systems Sky Striker. A silent killer in the sky, the Sky Striker is a fully autonomous loitering munition designed for precision strikes. It can carry up to 22 pounds warhead and can loiter for up to 2 hours before diving at 300 knots to eliminate its target. With an electric propulsion system, it remains undetected until the moment of impact. Its ability to abort, re-engage and navigate autonomously makes it a formidable battlefield asset. Anduril Bolt and Bolt M. Next, we have the Bolt series from Anduril, which combines intelligence with firepower, offering autonomous flight and strikes. Bolt M, the lethal variant, can engage static or moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. Designed for man-portable deployment, it can operate beyond 12 miles with minimal operator input. Equipped with AI-driven tracking, it can strike from any angle, ensuring no escape for its targets. Vapor 55 MX. A leader in accurate airstrikes, the Vapor 55 MX carries multiple GPS-guided Shrike munitions for multi-target engagement. These 40mm warheads deliver high lethality with minimal collateral damage. Its open architecture design allows smooth integration of advanced payloads, making it a highly adaptable and lethal strike platform. Anduril Roadrunner M. This jet-powered VTOL drone has extreme maneuverability and modular payloads. Moreover, it can return to base for reuse. Its ability to loiter, track, and autonomously engage airborne targets makes it a revolutionary force in air defense. STM Cargo. Lastly, we have this rotary wing attack drone, built for tactical ISR and precision strikes. With autonomous navigation and real-time optical tracking, it can strike static or moving targets with deadly accuracy. Its modular design supports both anti-personnel and armor-piercing warheads, ensuring versatility in combat. Compact, deadly, and operable by a single soldier, it's a true force multiplier. These drones redefine modern warfare, proving that the deadliest weapons don't need pilots. Which one do you think is the most fearsome?